To establish unity among Muslims, 10 important ways must be accepted for all the Muslims of the world. 1. We should understand that Muslim unity is not an option, it is a must. 2. Think of Hajj as a time of Muslim unity. There is no separation in Hajj. Everyone stays at the same place. Please subscribe the YouTube channel, hit the bell button and share this video. 3. We must learn tolerance towards other viewpoints as this is Allah's command. 4. We must follow to learn, to criticize without hurting. 5. We must refrain from taking strong positions on minor points. 6. Refrain from calling someone an infidel. 7. There is a need to transcend ethnic boundaries and unite at the point of a Muslim ummah. 8. Strongly share this instruction with all Muslims. 9. We must pray for the unity of a Muslim ummah. 10. Pay attention to the advice found in Surah Hujurat. Discussion on the content of Surah Hujurat. In order to share this knowledge with all, the community holds regular family meetings, study circles, and classes for young and old Muslims, sermons, discussions, etc. on Muslim behavior. Discussion is mandatory. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the YouTube channel, hit the bell button and share this video.